crocuses are usually about the first to bloom. Often they'll just come right up through the snow. They can be in purple, yellow, orange, white, and even lavender. My favorite ones are lavender with some yellow stripes in them. You can see those in this video. And they will naturalize and spread over time in zones 3 to 8. And they bloom from February to April. And crocuses close their flowers at night and bad weather to protect the insides of the flowers. And you can plant them 6 to 8 weeks before the ground freezes. I usually plant mine after all the flowers in the garden have died back. And you should choose a location that receives full sun or partial shade, but keep in mind that when they're blooming, most of the trees around probably will not have leafed out yet. And they are adaptable. They will bloom best in well-drained soil. If your soil is clay heavy, amend it with compost or sand to improve the drainage. Bulbs cannot stand sitting in water. So plant them 2 to 3 inches deep with the pointed ends facing up, and space them 2 to 3 inches apart for a naturalized look, or closer together for a denser display. I like to plant mine in little clumps. And they don't need much water, but you shouldn't let them dry out. In fact, too much water can rot them. So if there's a long dry spell or something like that, I usually don't do much watering at all before March or April anyway. And I fertilize the whole garden. I don't worry about individual plants. But if you have some good mulch, a lot of organic material, the fertilizer should be okay. And a light layer of mulch such as straw or wood chip can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. In the fall or in the spring, let the foliage die back naturally, as this will help to nourish the corms for next year's bloom. And you can naturalize them in your lawn. They look really nice scattered around in the grass. But if you do plant them in the lawn, be sure not to cut the grass before the crocuses have gone dormant for the year. The foliage will die back naturally to the ground. And you can tell the crocus leaves from the grass, because the crocus leaves or foliage have like a white stripe going down the center of them, so you can tell them apart from the grass. Well, good luck with your crocuses, and if this video helped you out any at all, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll talk to you again next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.